Welcome. If you're looking to stay on top of every event update happening on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable event update notifications for your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head straight to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. At the very top right corner of your Facebook homepage, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find all the pages you manage. Now select the page you want to manage notifications for. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page itself. You're now inside your page's dashboard. Next, look to the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded list. This will take you to the main settings area for your page. On the left side, scroll down until you see the Notifications section. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different notification categories. Find and click on Events. This is where you control all the notifications related to events on your page. Now, you'll see the option to enable changes and updates. Simply toggle this setting on. Once it's enabled, you'll start receiving notifications whenever there are updates or changes to events on your page. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll never miss an important event update again. Keeping your audience engaged and informed is now easier than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.